Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify Rumble account. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in. First, you have to go to rumble.com and log into your account. Then, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon and click on it, and then a drop down menu will appear on your screen. Then go to account overview. From here, at the left side of your screen, go to account settings, and at the third option you will find the verification option available here, and here you can find the account status is not verified. That's mean my account is not verified yet. If you find this thing, that's mean your account is not verified yet too. So let's see how we can verify our account. We can verify our email. We can click here to request another welcome email, and click on it, and you will find your email and confirm your email. And they said that they have sent activation email. In that email you will find a link to log into your account with your activation code. You just need to click on the link, and if prompted, then enter your credential like username and password, log in again, and you will find the activation ID or key. As you can see, I have just logged into my account and the activation ID is now visible in my screen. Just copy this ID and click on verify. Then you will presented by a confirmation page. It says that your account has been successfully verified. Now click on this continue rumble.com button, the green button. Then you will redirect it to your account and go to your account settings again and to the verification, and here the first step is now completed. Now the second step is to verify your phone number. Select your country code, then enter your phone number, then click on one of these. If you want to text message the OTP or confirmation mail, then click on text me, or if you want a call from them for the OTP or the confirmation, then click on this call me button at the right. Here is a note that said only one account at a time can be verified with the same number. So make sure that the number you have entered isn't ever used in any other Rumble account. After completing the second verification process, here you will see the account status is turned into verified. There you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.